Wow. Welcome back to the AM Club. We're just feeling all spiritual in the studio with that beautiful music video from the one and only Niiella. It's called Into the Light. And speaking of Niiella, might I add that she is in the studio with us. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Niiella.
Hi, Niiella.
You've given me a mood. I've suddenly changed and I've become so calm.
Thank you. Hi.
Good to have you.
Good to be here.
Welcome on the AM Club.
Thank you.
Yo, absolutely welcome.
First of all, let's talk about her appearance. I love whatever she's doing. I'm not going to say what I said off air.
Yeah, don't say it. Actually, you should say it.
No.
Say it so,
that I'll
so everybody can.
I look wonderful
that I
in
came
their
on
eyes.
the show and he
Wow. My boss is watching. Please don't do that.
It's
Anyway, I
fine.
love these Yeezys. I
No,
love the
they're
sneakers. I love this,
wouldn't spend that money on shoes.
Yeah.
but I love it.
Thank you.
I know how you. I don't know. You're mixing colors. I don't know. Her colors are just beautiful. But Niiella, welcome. Welcome.
you.
It's good to have you. Into the light. We're just talking about music
Yeah.
videos. Before we get into that, what have you been up to?
Oh gosh. Well, a lot. You know, I haven't been to Ghana for about, I think it's almost 2 years now.
Wow.
Yeah, literally, a little bit before a little bit before. I think the last time I came here was like 2019.
Okay.
But like middle.
Okay.
So that's the last time that I've been to
Okay.
Ghana. So I've been away for quite a while.
Yeah.
But yeah, so I went to the UK. I do this thing every now and then where I just
Okay.
Of
pack
course,
up.
you went to the UK. I'm messing with you. I won't do this with you.
I do this thing every now and then where I just pack up my stuff and
You just leave.
I just feel like
You just need to refresh and just like,
I just feel like I'm supposed to go. So I'm
Okay,
like,
okay.
So yeah, that's what happened. And
But then when you're there, do you also feel like, okay, now I need to come back now?
no.
No. So what made you come back?
I had a dream actually.
Okay.
Ooh.
So
Okay.
I had a dream
Like
and
Martin Luther. But I'm just saying.
What was that?
be bold.
Martin Luther King. I had a
Oh,
dream.
okay. Oh, I didn't hear it. I didn't hear it. 'Cause- Okay, we get
So
it.
yeah, I had a dream, and in the dream I was hosting an event in Ghana.
Okay.
And the dream, dreams are really weird. So
Yeah,
you can be like
yeah,
in two
yeah,
countries,
yeah.
like you're here and then you open a door
Exactly.
and then you're like, Alaska.
Yeah.
So, but in this dream, I had the same dream twice, but I was me and then I was my brother.
Okay.
So Into the Light is actually a worship collective
Okay.
by my brother,
Okay.
David. And so in the dream, we were singing like Into the Light, we were singing some of the Sanctuary music songs. And then, I was him, but he was doing sound. 'Cause He
Okay.
does sound as well. He does sound production and
Okay.
everything. So when I woke up, I was like,
What does that
are we
mean?
supposed to go to Ghana?
Exactly.
So I went to David and I was like, David, I had a dream that we were in Ghana. And then David was like, oh.
Here we go.
Basically, he too had the same
Oh,
dream.
wow.
Wow.
Right. So that's what. So I was like, well,
It's a
let's go
sign,
then.
exactly.
Let's pack our stuff
And go.
So yeah, we started organizing, started putting things together.
Yeah.
And here we are.
Okay, and how's
So-
it been so far?
We've sold out.
Wow.
Well, yeah.
That's
Ooh.
amazing.
You were telling me about it. The
That's
close-up camera. What it's
amazing.
called?
It's called Wildfire Worship Service.
Okay.
Wildfire Worship Service.
Wildfire. Yeah.
Happening when? This Sunday.
It's Sunday, yes, on the 17th.
Where?
At Agape House at 6 p.m.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing.
So it's full. So I don't know if I should say come or I mean.
Well, you
like,
still, just in case, maybe you might get
That
lucky.
someone doesn't turn up,
Exactly,
then you
someone
get
might not
free.
turn up,
Is
so
it
you might
ticketed?
get lucky.
There's no ticket.
It's free, but you had to register. So that's,
Yes,
yeah.
So at the
yeah.
entrance, you know.
Yes. So we're like way over capacity even. So we're like,
Okay.
yeah.
All right. So what should people expect from the concert?
So another thing that I sensed,
Yeah.
from this dream,
Yeah.
what happened in this dream, was that it almost felt like everything that I've learned over the past 2 years. I went to Sunday Best in America, I went to go and compete, met Kirk Franklin, Jonathan McReynolds, all these big wigs. And I've just learned so much.
Yeah.
I've been to like writing camps. I went to go see a vocal specialist when I was
Yeah.
out there as well, because I started to lose my voice in 2018. I didn't know how to look after my voice. I didn't even know that there was
such
more
a
that
thing,
goes
yeah.
into looking up. Most times they say drink water, warm
Yeah,
up, that's
yeah,
it. But there's
yeah.
so much more that goes into looking
Yeah.
after the voice. So after I went to go see the vocal specialist, I literally haven't lost my voice since 2018. Wow. So that's crazy.
Yeah.
I've had days where I'm tired or my
Yeah,
voice is tired,
yeah,
but like
yeah.
a complete,
Yeah. It's
it
never
just
happened
hadn't
before.
happened.
Yeah.
So it just felt like all the different things I've learned about music, songwriting, taking care, all that stuff, just bring it back.
Yeah.
And teach, my peers, other singers, musicians. So I'm really here to just kind of give back and have a worship experience as well, because I'm a worshiper. I love to
Yeah.
worship. So all those songs, all that stuff, it's just like bringing it back and inspiring
Yeah.
all the people coming up. Also feeling like maybe, they want to, like, they're not doing well enough, or like if you work hard, you just you never know where you can go, because I never planned to go to like a show like Sunday Best. I just you know, but once I got there to the audition, I was like,
wow,
I might as well take this seriously.
I remember Sunday Best. Listen, I used to watch that show on BET. Like, I used to be glued to that show. Like, I loved it. And I think maybe coming back from, like, you know, the whole gospel background, because my mom has a church, and, you know, growing up like in a church and everything. Yes.
I never knew, but good information. I know how to use it.
What is this?
Shall we?
Use it against me or for me?
I'm not going to say on TV.
Yeah, I can tell. I've only been here today, but I can see what the dynamic is.
I was the one rooting for you when you were. I'm like, I can't wait to see Niiella, and you're not on
but
my side even.
My love language is picking on people.
Okay, so when it comes to songs, what songs are out there at the moment? Is there an album coming up? Who's featuring on the album? You know, tell us, give us the gist.
So at the moment, Sanctuary Music, you know, we just recently formed that. So we have 3 songs out.
Okay.
There are more songs coming out.
Okay.
So you can find it on YouTube, you know, all digital stores.
Okay.
So Sanctuary Music, that's the name of the group.
Okay.
And then I recently did a collaboration as well called Loved by You.
Okay.
By myself and a group called K Collective. So that's another, it's like a pop, to be honest, it's a really funky song that you could just jam to.
Yeah.
When it comes to my own personal music, I have music out, but you know, we're still working, as they say, you know, underground.
Yes.
You know, on other stuff, but I'm just really concentrating on doing more, or like branching out, working with more people, teaching, cultivating, all of that for now. But that doesn't mean I'm not working on stuff. I am working on stuff. But,
okay, so in terms of working with people, who do you have like in mind, or who would you want to work with?
Who would I want to work with?
Yeah, who's still like in a gospel scene?
In Ghana?
Yeah, in Ghana.
Okay.
Oh, abroad, you never know.
Can I guess? Can I take a look?
Okay, go on.
God, I don't know why I'm doing this morning, but why do I have a feeling? I think you've worked with Joe Beto before.
I have, we have a song together.
Yeah. So that is out of it.
Okay.
Emoji?
We've actually done a song together.
Hey, so in Ghana, we'll
keep going.
Dinah Hamilton?
No.
You've not done a song together,
No.
but would you?
Definitely. It means I have to like really like learn the tree, you know.
Yeah.
But it's fine.
Yeah.
If
I mean,
they
you
just
can
write it
sing
out
the
for me,
English version, and she sings
sing
the
the tree part.
tree.
No, I can't sing in tree. I just have to make sure I know the words.
Okay.
Yeah.
But are you okay? So are you tree? Are you a can?
So I'm a mixture.
Yeah.
So I'm like a human smoothie.
Mixture of what and what?
My mom is half Ashanti, half Fanti.
Okay.
And my dad is half Ewe, half Yoruba.
Oh wow! That's a lot
Yeah,
of,
so no, this is a cocktail.
And you speak tree.
It's a cocktail.
So what do you speak? Yoruba?
I can't speak a lick of
Ewe?
Yoruba.
Yoruba.
No. Eh.
Finally, I found someone I'm better than when it comes to Ewe. I see nice.
Oh,
yes.
wow.
And let's mention what a wonderful vocalist you
Yeah,
are.
absolutely.
And you made us proud. I see how Ghana was. We were claiming you, you know.
Yes.
on Sunday.
What do you mean, claim me?
on the show. When
Yeah,
you were on BT.
But
I was
I
like,
made it a point to make sure that it kept saying Ghana.
Ghana,
Because it hasn't
yes.
happened
really?
before.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
that was something. I'm so happy to have
Thank
you.
you.
Are you back for good? I said, are you gonna stay? Or you think? When I look at your daughter, she wants to go back. You want to go back? Or you're gonna
You
be
know,
here for what?
I just say that I have no home. I go where I feel that I'm supposed
Absolutely.
to be in
That's
the
it.
season, in that time. So
Yeah.
I'm here for now.
Yeah, yeah.
Next month,
Let's
when you
enjoy
feel like
you, the
this-
fact that you're
That's
here.
it.
Vanish.
Yeah.
When you have another dream, who knows?
Yeah.
You never know.
It might be, you know. Anyway,
Following.
let's do something. Let's do something for our people before.
Okay.
Let's do
Okay.
something. Goodness, I can't wait to hear her voice. Okay. I mean, okay. Sorry. Go.
What do you want her to do?
Yeah. I didn't even say what I was
No,
gonna
you
do.
didn't.
Do something then.
Exactly.
Let's do a freestyle. Let's do a freestyle.
Okay,
Let's
okay,
sing
okay,
something
cool,
Okay.
cool.
From any of
So,
your new stuff coming out. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the one and only Niiella.
Yay!
oh, death, where is your sting?
So,
Because
yeah.
we've been called out of darkness into the light, into his marvelous light. Oh, death, where is your sting? 'Cause
Oh,
we've
my
been called
goodness.
out of darkness into the light.
Oh my God! Girl!
Can I clone you and put you in my room just so you
No,
can just
hold on a
sing?
minute. You know, sometimes you can actually predict people's voices based on the way they talk.
The talk? She sounds like she
No. You
supposedly.
sound nothing like the way you speak, and I love it. That was amazing. You're extremely talented. Listen, wow. Please don't try it. I don't want to spoil the sound I already have in my mind. Please, I'm sorry.
Death, where is your sting? Can you tell can you tell I can sing well with my voice?
I think there's potential. Yeah.
With training.
Yeah.
Like 10 years
Before
of training.
he used like a softer tone, and that was pretty cool. And then when you
Yeah.
use like the deeper one, it was shaking. So you probably need to work on that one.
Okay.
One of your cameramen are laughing.
Guys, thank you for staying with us. Anyways, we're going to leave you with Nieella's latest song. It's a Chi medley.
Okay.
You did. We're going to leave them with it. But guys, thank you so much for being a part of the show today. It's been fun. It's been exciting. I enjoyed this one. Niiella is such a character.
I know, right? It's always a pleasure having you.
Thank you to all the guests who came in. She's officially a member of the AM Club.
Absolutely. So please do feel free to pass by whenever you feel like it.
Don't go back to the UK yet, we beg you. Anyways, thank you to our team here. But before that, of course, we'd like to thank our guests for Lifestyle Daily. I had Mr. Day, MC and content creator. We discussed the art of public speaking. And then we had Drew, Miss Drew, your hostess with the mostest, coming on with the hashtag Travel Tuesday. And she showed us this beautiful place in Pram Pram. You need to check it out. Make sure you tune in to Moments on Friday at 5:30 p.m. Don't miss it. And of course, we had this beautiful, funny, exhilarating discussion with with Niiella. Oh goodness. And my name is Godwin Nambo. This is the AM Club at Godwin Nambo on all social media platforms.
And my name is Edma Ohima Lawa, and you can reach out to me on all social media platforms at Edma Lawa, EDMALAWER. So that's about it for today's show, the AM Club live on MX24, and we are leaving you with this amazing, amazing song by the wonderful
Niiella on this cold
Niiella.
Tuesday morning.
Yes.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
We'll see you tomorrow.